Welcome back to Data Engineers Academy. Have you ever heard about the Snowflake Cortex code? Okay, no problem. Now let us nail this.
Now, everyone know about the tasks, right? So, tasks in Snowflake are used to schedule every requirements that we want through tasks command. So, here tasks are used to schedule the records insertions at particular time, or we want to schedule the particular table execution or particular loading the data into table at particular instant of time, and for every 5 minutes you want to insert the data, or every 5 minutes you want to update the table, or every 5 minutes you want to create a backup for the data. So for all these type of requirements we use tasks. So these and all story you already know. So for scheduling this you need to write manually the code, right? So instead of writing manually we can build this through Cortex code. So let me showcase to you how the Cortex code help you to build tasks easily without the human intervention. So here just you should go to the Coco, and you can give prompt here like generate a tasks named employee task for every 5 minutes, or at morning 9 o'clock every day, morning 9 o'clock am. Let me insert the data every day at particular table, employee table. If you give command like this, it will automatically make insertions without any human intervention, automatically gets loaded. And for writing the code also no human intervention is needed. The Cortex will give you in fraction of seconds. So this is the prompt you should give, like generate this task that runs every day at 9 a.m. and should it insert all the records from this table to another target table, that is backup. So I am giving this prompt. So here is the code, you can see it has reflected here. This is the code generally we write, right? So that was generated by the Coco in fraction of seconds. So here it is, the same syntax, the same code. You can click on keep, and let me run this. So this task has successfully created, you can see here. Want to resume the task, similarly ask a prompt to Coco. So ask is generate some SQL command to resume this task. So I have given this. So it will automatically reflect the code needed to resume the task in this workspace that you have provided. So it is narrating, and you can see it has reflected. See, if you click on keep, and you can see it has given alter task, task name, and resume. So if you click on this, you can see it has executed. So task is resumed now. So the task is in activated condition. So creation completed, and the resume completion completed. Next, if you want to execute that task, similarly give the same command. So I am giving it. So it is narrating. So it has given some execute task name. So keep all and keep here and execute it. So the task employee task is scheduled to run immediately. So task is scheduled, right? So it, under a resume condition we have kept, and we have scheduled it by executing it successfully.
So now let us see the properties of the tasks, like whether it is scheduled or whether it is failed. Let us know, right? So for that, I am generating a prompt. So I have given prompt like this: give me query to check the state whether task is scheduled or not. So I have clicked on enter. It is generating. So you can see it has seated the query. Let me run. So you can see employee underscore tasks under team. So under stay schema, just now I have created, right? So you can see here. So it is under stay schema. So you can see the warehouse. We have used the compute underscore WH, right? So schedule time and state. Its state schedule state is started. So task has triggered. So the definition is this. So no error. So no suspension, and the role type it has given. So next, scheduling modes, target executions as users, everything created by the user, everything it has given. So you can see the state is started, right? Thank you for watching this video. For more details, contact this phone number.